Hey everybody, Chris here with Dogecoin Live, and in this video we're going to take a look at whether the bull market is going to continue that we've been on so far, or is it a bull trap? Do you guys think that the bottom is already in and prices are going to keep going up from here, or are we going to see a big dip coming forward? We'll take a look at that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Certainly appreciate the support. So Dogecoin Live is a 24/7 live stream. If you haven't checked it out already, there's a link in the description below. So please check it out and join in on the chat. I check in most nights, sometime around 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock Boston time. That's East Coast US time. Sometimes a little earlier, sometimes a little later, depending on the day. I usually post in community posts on YouTube there when I'm going to be checking in and talking live. But I also check throughout the day in the chat. So if you guys are chatting, maybe I will chime in on the chat as well. So what is going on with Dogecoin? Well, I'm recording this right now before the stock market on Monday has opened, and I think there's going to be some volatility in the markets today. So we'll see. Right now Tesla is up pre-market, but the rest of the stocks seem to be relatively flat. That's because Tesla has been so undervalued lately. So hope you got your Tesla stock in. Prices around 110, 120 because Tesla stock, I think, is only going to be going up from here. There's earnings reports this week, so we'll see what the reaction is on that. But I'm looking at the charts here, and this is year to date. So year to date, Dogecoin is up 32%. Bitcoin is up 38% year to date. Ethereum is up 38% year to date. So that is all very strong. We've got Algorand. Algorand is up 46% year to date. Shib is up 50% year to date. And Solana, well, Solana is up 150%. Some think that Solana isn't going to be able to carry this whole FTX debacle, and some selling of a lot of Solana could happen depending on how the whole bankruptcy thing goes with FTX. But we're going to talk about Doge in relation to overall crypto, and the sentiment split between bull trap or bottom. Has the bottom already been in? Bitcoin at 23,000 now. Are we going to see a retracement of Bitcoin where Bitcoin then drops back down below 20,000, maybe back to the 17,000 level that it's been on? That could happen. But right now, feelings seem to be kind of mixed. Here's a Yahoo Finance here is Bitcoin remains above 22,000. Dogecoin leads gains, and that's over the past 24 hours. Doge has been trading pretty well, up over 9 cents, but now it's back just below, and we'll see how Doge trades this morning, particularly when the stock market opens up. If there's down trading in the stocks, we could see crypto going down a bit as well. But Dogecoin reaches 9 cents now. Is 10 cents next? This is on Watcher Guru. Dogecoin registered a new monthly high of 9 cents. Markets remained bullish. Doge up 23% over the last 14 days. And hard to believe that this whole market is just going to keep going up. We've got this FOMC meeting coming up in just a little over a week now, where we're expecting 25 basis point raising of interest rates. That is what's expected, so that's probably already priced in. So Dogecoin just under 9 cents now. This clip was taken at 9, and where do we see Dogecoin going from here? Well, there are some AI kind of bot related sites that take a look at what's coming up for Dogecoin, and here's one, digital Dogecoin, digital coin price with the Dogecoin chart, and they're looking at a maximum price throughout the year from 9 cents now up to 19 and 20 cents, and these are maximums. So they're bracketing Dogecoin going forward at a high of 19 to 20 cents throughout the year, and they're looking at lows maybe back down to 7.5, 7.8, 7.9. So their range is typically mid 7s up to 19 or 20. Now, we know that Dogecoin does not trade like this. Dogecoin is much more volatile, so we could see much higher highs and maybe even lower lows depending on what happens in the markets for Dogecoin. So I don't really give this a lot of credence, but that's what that's what some of these sites just take a look at. They're selling ads and trying to get views, but interesting to look at anyway. But it's certainly good to see upward price action if you're looking at your phone and the charts, seeing these rising prices. We take a look at the Dogecoin chart here on the 30 minutes, and here we had yesterday on Sunday a big run up with Doge up to about 9.3 that Dogecoin hit. And what happened then? Well, we hadn't seen this in a while, but the Dogecoin shorts showed up. So there was a big uptick in short positions that opened up when Dogecoin made that run, and short positions closed out then as Dogecoin retraced down. So hadn't seen that in a while again, but that's how Doge goes when it goes on these very quick runs. We prefer to see Dogecoin on these slow and steady gains where we're not messing with the shorters. The shorters aren't really opening up positions as much when we see these slow, steady gains in Dogecoin. Also in the news, Robinhood, a new wallet. So we know that about a year ago, Robinhood created this wallet system. And the wallet system that Robinhood created was really on their own platform. You didn't have your own keys or seed phrase. So the coins, quote, in your wallet, they weren't really yours. They were Robinhood's. And so I think Robinhood got some flack from that. And their wallet engineering team has now come up with self-custody wallets. And that means that you'll have the keys, and the wallets, the new wallets that they're making, are set up kind of Web3-like, where you can actually trade cryptocurrency right in the wallet. I think that's still on Robinhood platform, although they say you're going to be able to interact with others. We'll see how that works. But it's self-custody, so you're going to get your keys. So the first wallet system, I think, was really more just a doorway in and out of the Robinhood system, so you could actually transfer coins off of Robinhood or onto Robinhood if you wanted to, but they weren't your coins. They were still Robinhood's coins in Robinhood wallets. So this new wallet should be a wallet system that you have your own keys to. They don't support Dogecoin yet, so I haven't got on the list yet for getting this, but I'm certainly looking forward to trying it out and seeing how it works. I'll be buying more Dogecoin on Robinhood in order to try that out. So we'll see how that goes. But overall, again, looking at the charts right now, we will see as Dogecoin trades through the day, whether we're going to retest this 9-cent level or we're going to come back down to 8.5. I've got support here at 8.45 from Saturday here. Seems to be a pretty strong support. So we'll watch that going forward. Please be sure to check in Dogecoin Live in order to see whether, interact with others, take part in the chat. Certainly having a lot of fun with having this live stream going, so definitely check that out. Give this video a like. Please leave a comment below. And again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.